Did you know? The art of pottery making in India dates back to the Indus Valley civilization over 5,000 years ago. Yes, that's right, 5 millennia. This ancient craft has journeyed through time, adapting to changing eras while holding on to its roots. It's a story of resilience, creativity, and the human spirit. Today, we delve into this mesmerizing world of pottery making. In the heartland of India, as the sun peaks over the horizon, our potter, a humble farmer, begins his day. His hands, ingrained with years of experience, reach out for the raw material, the lifeblood of his craft. Clay. He knows just by touch when the clay is perfect. It's a dance between intuition and knowledge, a dance perfected over generations. Once the clay is chosen, it's time for it to undergo a transformation. It's soaked, kneaded, and mixed until it becomes soft and pliable, ready to be molded into a vessel of beauty. Each step is done with precision and care, showing a deep respect for the craft. The potter's wheel, a simple yet powerful tool, awaits its turn. As the wheel spins, the lump of clay is placed at its center. The potter's hands, firm yet gentle, start to shape the clay. It's a mesmerizing sight, watching the clay transform under the potter's touch, rising and falling until it takes the form of a pot. But the pot is not finished yet. It needs to be fired to gain strength and durability. The pot is placed in a kiln, a furnace that can reach temperatures high enough to harden the clay. It's a test of patience, as the potter waits for the perfect moment to remove the pot. Once the pot is cooled, it's time for the final touch: glazing. Glaze gives the pot a glossy finish and makes it waterproof. It's the potter's signature, a mark of his skill and creativity. And there you have it, a beautiful handcrafted pot, a testament to the potter's skill, patience, and creativity. Each pot tells a story of tradition, hard work, and the indomitable human spirit. Pottery making is not just a craft, it's a way of life, a connection to our past, and a bridge to our future. It's a celebration of the human ability to create and innovate. It requires patience, creativity, and a deep understanding of the materials and tools. So why not give pottery a try? Or better yet, support your local potters. Buy handcrafted pots, learn about their stories, appreciate their skills. Remember, when you buy a handmade pot, you're not just buying a vessel. You're buying a piece of history, a piece of someone's heart and soul. Pottery making in India is a testament to the resilience of tradition and the power of creativity. It's a dance between the potter and the clay, a dance that has been going on for over 5,000 years. Let's keep the dance alive. Support local potters. Try pottery making. Become a part of this beautiful story.